Hi everyone. Here's just a quick little tip I thought I'd pass along. I'm in the middle of building a 1934 Ford 5-window coupe. You'll see it on the channel later on. Here's just a little tip I wanted to show you. You see how these parts are connected with these little tabs, and sometimes it's really hard to get in there and get a nice cut on these. So what I like to do is I go ahead and I cut above it like this. And I'll flip it over and cut again, always trying to keep the flat side toward the part you want, and cut above it. And then you can go ahead and trim closer to it like that. A little hard to see it on camera there. You can trim closer to it without fighting the actual sprue tree. And then I take a little bit of a file and just sand down that, or file down I guess, just that little bit of a nub, and it comes out perfect almost every time. Sometimes it requires a little bit more effort, but for the most part that works out really nice. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to share with you. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out here. Happy, keep on modeling. Happy modeling. Merry Christmas, whatever. See you later.